Welcome to a sun-soaked minute of power-packed knowledge. Today we're diving into the world of solar panels and how to keep them sparkling clean. Step 1. Safety first, friends. Ensure you're equipped with safety gear. Think gloves, non-slip shoes, and protective eyewear. Step 2. Grab that soft bristle brush. Pair it with soapy water and you're ready to gently scrub away any grime. Step 3. Rinse thoroughly. Use a hose to wash away soap, ensuring no residue is left behind. Step 4. Let nature do its job. Allow your panels to air dry for the best results. And voila! You've mastered the art of cleaning solar panels. Now, they're ready to soak up the sun and power your world efficiently. Remember, regular cleaning improves your panel's performance, so make this a sunny day ritual. With clean panels, you're not just saving energy, you're saving the planet. Stay bright, stay charged with V-Charged.